White. I'm the managing editor of the International Fire and Safety Journal, and I'm delighted to be here at Intersec in Dubai, joined by Liam Arstall from FFE. Liam, hello, my friend.
Hi.
So, for those people watching, tell us a little bit about FFE and what your role is.
So FFE is a specialist fire detection company based in Hitchin in the UK. We've been going for just over 50 years, specialising in all things detection, and the range that most people will know us for is FireA and Talentum. About myself, I've been in the fire industry for just shy of 10 years, and I'm head of product marketing at FFE, looking after product management and marketing functions.
Intersec is becoming or has become a global show, so much so that next year it'll be known as Intersec Global. First show in the calendar year. How's it been for you, and is there anything that you've brought to the market new this year?
So first, Intersec is always a really important show. It's great to see customers, and it's been absolutely key. It is becoming global. We're seeing more and more customers from Europe. We've got sales representations from our own team that cover Europe, because it's a great place to meet all the accounts in one go and build those relationships. But for us, it's also important because we can showcase our products. So as I said, FireA is the brand that most people know, and Talentum. However, we have introduced our new aspirating smoke detection range, which is called Census, and that's the first time it's been on display and introduced to the market.
My name's Martin Norris, and I'm here today to talk to you about FFE's new innovative aspirating smoke detection technology. So here we are today. I'm going to talk about our Census detection technology. It's an ASD, or an aspirating smoke detector, and these detectors can be very, very sensitive for the detection of smoke. So this detector, this is our Azure 500, so this is our small area single pipe detector. We can have 100 meters of pipe. We have holes distributed down the pipe at the same distance as we would have a smoke detector spacing, and we pull air actively from the fire risk down the pipe, through a filter, by a fan, into the detector. The detectors are blue light technology, so we can detect very, very small smoke particles, 0.1 micron, and we can detect obscuration from 0.005 all the way up to 20% obscuration per meter. Now, to put that in some perspective, a normal smoke detector usually operates at about 5% obscuration per meter. We can go down to 0.005, which is 1,000 times more sensitive than a smoke detector, and up to 20%, which is 4 times less sensitive than a smoke detector, with one technology. The benefit of that is I can take this unit and I can install it in the cleanest clean room or data center in the world and set the sensitivity up to be optimal. But similarly, I could take it to the dirtiest coal-fired power station with high backgrounds of pollution and set the detector up to perform without false alarms and nuisance alarms. So let me put a tiny bit of smoke into the detector just to show you how sensitive it can be. We're seeing 0.000 obscuration per meter at the moment. I'm breathing nice clean air, there's no smoke around. But if I just make a little bit of smoke just from the flint of my cigarette lighter, we can see obscuration per meter. So these low levels of alarm that you saw, the alert and the action, wouldn't necessarily evacuate the building, but they would give the operators of the building a pre-alarm to say, go and investigate, something is getting hot, we've got very low levels of smoke, investigate, do a shutdown, do some maintenance, before the situation escalated to the higher levels of alarm, when we would then connect to a fire panel and cause evacuation and other activities, for instance, operation of an extinguishing system, etc. So you've got a detector that can go in multiple applications. It's a piped system, which means if you're covering a warehouse 20 meters high, the pipe is a mechanical solution. You never need to get to the pipe again. All the maintenance is done at low level in a safe location. So this is Census. It's an aspirating smoke detector. It's one of the biggest growing sectors in the fire detection market. Come and talk to FFE. We've got a solution that might fit your bill. Thank you.
Excellent. And How's it been reviewed and taken by clients?
It's been really well received. So we're very excited by the product. It's up there in terms of specification and matches other more long-standing brands in the market. And our clients, they like the fact that we can offer them everything from beam, flame, thermal cable, and now aspirating detection. So we offer everything. We can service their specialist detection needs.
So very much a one-stop shop, but with the longevity of 50 years in business and the attention to detail that you come to expect from FFE. Liam, been a pleasure, my friend.
Thank you very much.
I'm Duncan J. I'm the managing editor of the International Fire and Safety Journal, and I've been talking to the guys and girls here at FFE.